Hello all, welcome to Sri Purnima. This is Jyoti. We are having a home-based store located at Sadashivam Nagar, Madipakam, Chennai. Okay, we are dealing with sarees and dress materials. We have started the imitation jewelries. Okay, so we are dealing only with the sarees and the dress materials. So today I have two sets of collections. One is a printed daily wear collections. Okay, daily wear cotton sarees, and the second one is okay, which is from my previous collections. So due to the lockdown, all our supplies are also stopped, so please understand that. Okay, so I will be moving up with the collections. Okay, so this is the first saree. Okay, this is a printed cotton saree. It's a daily wear saree. Okay, so it's a lightweight saree also. It's all printed. You have this kind of printing. It's a floral printed saree. Okay, this is the first design in this particular printed saree. I have two designs. Okay, so this is how the saree will be looking. It's a daily wear saree. So you have plain blouse for this one with this same running blouse, okay, same as the saree color, and this is the pallu. You have this kind of pallu in the saree. So this is the pallu part, okay, and in this body part you will be having this floral design. So this is the first design in the printed cotton saree. It's a daily wear saree priced at 450. Okay, the color, it's a light yellow color. Okay, this is how the design is in the pallu and plain blouse. So this is the first design you have. The price of the saree, shipping charges is extra, as you all know. Shipping charges is 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. COD is also available. So I have three more colors in this one. So this is a yellow color and light green color, orange, and pink, Rani pink. Okay, so these are the four colors available in this design. All the designs are same. Price is 450. It's a printed cotton daily wear sarees. Okay, it's a regular wear saree. Price is 450. Shipping charges is extra. In the same fabric, I have one other design. A slight variation in the design will be coming. So this is the second design. The floral design is different in the from the previous one and the next one. So this is a bottle green color. So you have plain blouse. These are not zari, it's just printed borders. Okay, this is printed border, it's not zari border. And this is the pallu. You have these kind of designs printed in the pallu. It's a bottle green color. And in the body part you have this kind of flowers printed. Okay, the price is 450. It's not zari, it's a printed zari, printed golden border. Okay, so this is a daily wear saree priced at 450. Shipping charges is extra. We will be dispatching post lockdown. You can make the payment after the lockdown. You can just block the sarees or dress materials, whatever you want to order. Okay, but the order should be a confirmed one. You can block and you can pay for the order before dispatch. I have three more colors in this one. So the first one is bottle green. Second one is orange shade. Third one is pink. All the pictures will be posted on my page also. So please like my page so that you will be following my updates. So this is a blue shade. Okay, these are the four colors. All of them are priced at 450. These are printed cotton daily wear sarees. Okay, these are the sarees I have in this particular printed cotton saree collection. So the next one is a linen jute. It has a peacock digital printed. It's a digital printed saree. So this is the body part. Okay, in the body you have a small peacock designs printed, and in the border you have the alternating big and the small peacock Okay, it's a gray with blue color, and this is the pallu part. This is the pallu, and you have the tassels. It's a fancy tassels in the pallu, and this is the blouse piece. Okay, the same as the pallu design, you will be having the blouse piece. So this is the pallu and blouse and the sari. It's a grey color. Price is 750. Shipping charges is extra. So same design. I have one other color available. Rest of the 2 colors are sold out. So this is the other color which I have. It's a beige color. Okay, it's a peach color, not beige, peach color. So these are the 2 colors available. These 2 sarees are priced at 750 rupees. Shipping charges is extra. I am repeating the shipping charges. It's 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu, and rest of India it is 100. COD is available. COD charges is 100 rupees extra for processing. Extra means it's a product cost plus shipping cost plus COD charges 100 rupees. So this COD total amount should be considered. So we are based at Sadashivam Nagar, Madipakam, Chennai. You can visit offline also, but due to the lockdown, it's been stopped now. So you can place the orders through WhatsApp now. So you can just block the products, and once the lockdown is over, before dispatching, you can pay the amount and you can ask for the dispatch. So this is how we are processing. So we have limited new collections as of now, so we will be coming up with the lives with all the collections together for the next time period due to the lockdown. So please understand that our supplies are also being locked due to the lockdown. So many of them are raising queries regarding that. So please understand the situation. So this thanks for all the guys. So please stay tuned with the our page. Please like our page so that you will be stay connected with all the updates. So thanks for watching.